Alright, we'll try and talk to him.
Right, and then it's...
Hi, how are you doing?
How you doing?
Doing alright, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Can you keep your hands out of your pockets for me, please? What's your name?
We're not here to take you to jail, man. We're
No.
just here
Your sister's worried about you. Okay.
No bullshit. We're not here to take you to jail.
Does that light work? Can you keep your hands out of your pockets for me, please? If you like, I can pat you down, make sure you don't have any weapons, and then you can put them in your pocket. But okay, so hey, your sister's worried about you medically. Okay, she says you've been using some drugs. All right. Our bigger concern, obviously, is the fact that you're maybe not able to take care of yourself. So we want to see if you'd be willing to go to the hospital, get checked out. No, you're fine.
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you have ID on you by chance?
Yeah, it's my truck.
It's in your truck?
And the wallet.
Okay. Is that your Tacoma out there?
Yeah.
It's a nice truck. Okay. I'm gonna get your name so we don't have to go all the way out there and deal with that. Yeah, if you want. I haven't been able to get anyone. Perfect. It's Philip, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. You know why we're here, right? Sorry, I don't mean to blind you.
Well, I got in an argument with my sister.
Okay.
She just called the cops.
Okay. What was the argument about? What was the argument about? Obviously, we already know. Okay. So, I'm asking for your side of the story.
Can I get an NIWME?
Do you not want to tell me? Do you not want to tell me?
Adam Nora Ocean. Versus Paul.
He's arguing that she's trying to boss me around.
Lincoln.
Okay.
Ida Paul.
How is she trying to boss you around? I'm trying to understand.
It was an argument.
Okay. How long were you clean for, man?
What?
Once a while.
What?
Okay. Philip, you and I both know that a while means different things. Like, is it a while, like while you're high, or like are we talking that kind of while? What kind of time frame are we talking about?
I don't know the exact time.
Yep.
It was a long time though.
Long time?
Yeah, a couple years.
Okay. Then how long have you been using for now?
Yeah.
How long? When did you start up again?
What you think?
Yeah.
The other day.
The other day? Okay. So, do you understand, like, the predicament you're putting your family in right now, right?
A little bit.
Okay. Can you describe the predicament? Can you tell me what you think it is? Maybe.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, call us. My wife. No.
Uh-oh. Oh, boy.
Princess.
So what's going on now?
The cops just came and they just left. He got home. They started yelling. And then they started fighting or pushing. He came at him. I don't know.
No, he came to me.
I didn't see it. I was just home with her, trying to get her.
They just came in here because he's on meth again.
Okay.
I came home. It was in the kitchen. I told it, way to go, meth tard. And it got all pissy and started shoving me in the living room.
How old is he?
45.
Not grown up yet.
Okay. And he's your brother, or?
No, hell no.
Your brother, okay.
And he lives here?
Yes.
Unfortunately.
Okay, so we can't boot him out of the house.
Unfortunately.
Do you want us to go talk to him?
Nothing's going to sink into it.
Okay.
It's high on dope. It's just a retard. Nothing's going to solve anything.
Okay. We have a guy armed with a gun up here on here. Is there anything else that we could do for you right now? Or?
No, she just panicked and called 911 because he was trying to get stupid.
Okay. So we're good then? There won't be any more drama between you and him?
Unless he wants to get stupid again.
Okay. Well, hopefully we don't
Tell him
do
to
that.
like just stay in his little area over there and not come out.
Yeah, we can talk to him. What's his name?
Philip,
Where's he at?
back room,
To the left?
all the way to the back to the right.
It's Philip.
And then
Hey, Philip?
Yes.
Hey, man. Are you gonna be cool?
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna stay in your room? Or is this your room? Is this your room, Philip? Yes or no?
You okay, Philip?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just waste of time.
Right. I just want to make sure that we're not going to keep coming back out here, you know what I mean? If we can maybe work something out right now. I mean, do you need time alone to yourself? I mean, what can we work out? You're fine, okay.
Yeah.
You're just going to stay in here?
All right, man. No more drama between you and him. You know what
You
I
gonna
mean?
be cool?
Thanks.
Okay, Philip, you gonna be cool? Alright. You don't need anything? Alright, take care.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, man. What's going on? Okay. How about you come over here and sit for me right in front of this bush, my man? Okay. Well, I don't think you're fine. And we're not going anywhere, you know what I mean? Huh? Okay. We're going to need you to come and sit down right here for me. Okay? And I would need to see your hands too. What's going on tonight? How you feeling? Did you take anything? Got lethal. Can you get out of the car? I don't remember his name, do you? What'd you take tonight? How much did you take?
Hey, Philip, just step away from the car and shut the door for us. That way we can chat, okay? Hey, Philip. Come on, man. Work with me here. Work with me, I'll work with you. Step away from the car and just talk with us. Because I want to talk with you. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, man. Okay, that's why we're here. We got to make sure it's safe for Remza to come in and talk to you, man. Okay, but here's the thing. I need you to step away from the car and shut the door so we can make sure you're okay. I don't want nothing to happen to you. I know, but in order for me to know that you're okay, I need you to step away and shut the door for me.
Hold on, don't let him fucking run you over. Just hold on, just wait. Those lights were already on once. No, he was just standing outside the entire time. Just watch out. If he moves towards you guys, get ready. Hey, don't get crossfire, exactly. What's his name? Philip? Philip! Get out of the car! Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Copy.
Do not crossfire over here.
I'll go hands-on if we can get him out.
That car is on. Philip, turn off the car! Philip, we don't want to hurt you. Get out of the car. We don't want you to hurt yourself. Hey! Okay, hold on.
Watch out for the canine. Please.
Hey, get in this car and do it. I got you. Hold up. Philip! Philip, stop! Watch out, watch out, watch out. That's good, that's good, that's good. Stop right there.
Okay.
Philip, turn off your car, buddy.
Philip, you don't want to do this, man. Hey, I'm coming to the left if this goes down.
You got lots of fish on the right there.
Hey, Philip.
Watch out!
Buddy, watch your exit.
Come on.
Hey, I'm...
You know where you're gonna go.
Towards you.
Philip, you don't want to do this, man! You don't want to do this, Philip!
Philip. Come talk to us. Do you have a phone number?
I don't know.
No phone in there.
Talk with us, bud. You want to know what's going on? Drive. No, roll the window down so we can talk, man. That's all we want to do right now is talk with you.
You go to the left of the
Not in
bush
trouble,
forward.
bud. Please,
Straight back
Philip,
up.
talk with us, man.
Right there. Right there is good.
Come on, buddy. You're scaring your neighbors and your family. You don't want this.
Oh,
Buddy,
Hey! Philip! Philip! Stop!